Hello everyone. Once again welcome back to Venu's channel. This is Venu's Uniqueness. Today, Government of Kerala has been published Plus 2 and VHSC results. So our topic is exclusively for Plus 2 students. So today's topic is a step ahead. What next after plus 2? It is a big question mark to students as well as parents. Here we undergo certain new courses. It will help students and parents. Take a look. Is plus 2 a turning point? Try to recollect or try to stick on these points. Each and every step in life is crucial. Experts are expertise career, nothing more. No one can predict this one is correct and that one is better unless the candidate's passion is directed. Attitude nurtures whereas aptitude determines. Try to understand between conventional and unconventional courses. Vocational oriented courses can be enhanced. Parents, teachers and career guidance are only for direction. Ultimate goal within individual. So I repeat, try to stick on these points. It would be really good for future. Next one, we are going to courses. Here I divided the courses into two, conventional and unconventional, or conventional and trending courses. So the first one is conventional, like we already know about degree, PG, BTech or MTech. Degree courses like BA, BSc, BCom, PG courses like MA, MSc, MCom, then BTech, MTech. These can call as the conventional courses. And next one is unconventional or trending courses, like degree with vocational trade, BA, BSc, BCom, LLB honors. Normally a degree having 3 years, but a degree with honors having 4 years. And here included LLB also. BA, BSc, BCom, LLB honors. Second one is artificial intelligence or AI and data science, machine learning, forensic, IT courses, NCH, MCT. I tried to mention some of the unconventional or trending courses. It may include lots. So, unconventional courses or trending courses. The first one is artificial intelligence and data science. Next one, forensic, IT courses, NCH, MCT, machine learning, and finally ethical hacking. So, the trending course or unconventional courses. I would like to give a preview over artificial intelligence and data science. I have written some of the points regarding artificial intelligence and data science. Please go through it. And I will just stick on here only the example of both artificial intelligence and data science. It will be really good for you, like manufacturing robots, smart assistants, proactive healthcare management, disease mapping, automated financial investing, virtual travel booking agent, social media monitoring, and entertainment chat tool. These are under artificial intelligence examples. Then what about data science? Data science, Hadoop, Spark, Hive, Pig, Drill, Presto, Mahout, and so on. Finally, data scientists should know how to access and query many of the top RDBMS, NoSQL, and NewSQL database management systems. So try to stick on these examples like both artificial intelligence and data science. And try to read the above written points also. Next one is machine learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. We already discussed about artificial intelligence. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it, learn for themselves. Virtual personal assistants, predictions while commuting, video surveillance, social media services. So that's why we include the both data science as well as artificial intelligence as trending courses. It will really give a wide coverage of future endeavors and scope. So please try to know more about artificial intelligence and data science. Next one is forensic. Forensic science, also known as criminalistics, is the application of science to criminal and civil laws, mainly on the criminal side during criminal investigation, as governed by the legal standards of admissible evidence and criminal procedure. Forensic science is the parent course which has various subfields, while forensic science consists of toxicology, serology, ballistics to psychology. So this is also yet another trending courses, one of the trending courses, that is forensic, BSc forensic, MSc forensic. So if you have a passionate over forensic, it would be really good. Okay. Next one is ethical hacking. Before going through the slide, I'd like to tell something about hacking. There are three types of hackers: white hat hacker, grey hat hacker, and finally black hat hacker. Hack for a different reason, cause or both, and try to you have to know about all have the required skills needed to accomplish their mission. And here we go, ethical hacking, legal ethical hacking, or certified ethical hacker is a qualification obtained by demonstrating knowledge of assessing the security of computer systems by looking for weaknesses and vulnerabilities in target systems, using the same knowledge and tools as a malicious hacker, but in a lawful and legitimate manner to assess the security posture of a target system. This knowledge is assessed by answering multiple choice questions regarding various ethical hacking techniques and tools. See, nowadays, most of the students, not most of the students, most of the people are using too much of electronic gadgets. So they have undergone too much of malicious attack from the hackers. So here only mentioning about ethical hacking. So like the hackers in three types, we already mentioned the white, the grey and the black, and here only mentioning the ethical, the white hat hackers. So if you have such enthusiasm, such energy over the particular hacking, it is a really good career. It's a very good. It is a really a good career over the ethical hacking. Next one is IT courses. The first one is artificial intelligence. We already discussed AI. Next one, blockchain. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack or cheat the system. That is blockchain. Next one is augmented reality. Like most of the classes, especially the schools and colleges, are going with augmented reality. Not only the schools and colleges, but also the reality shows, the channel studios are undergo with augmented reality. It would be really good for accessing, and it would be really good for conveying messages to others. Okay. Next one, cognitive cloud computing, Angular and React, DevOps, Internet of Things, intelligent apps. These are some of the IT courses. So please go through the points once again. And next one is NCH MCT. What is NCH MCT? Do you know nothing? Do you know something about NCH MCT? I hope you know about hotel management. Yes. NCH MCT is the National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology, like hotel management, culinary services, catenary services. And here JEE, which means Joint Entrance Examination. If you like to join NCH MCT, there is an entrance examination, that is NCH MCT JEE. It's a popular hotel management entrance exam that is conducted for aspirants willing to take admission in various UG courses or undergraduate programs offered by the affiliated colleges or institutes of NCH MCT. So next one, I will to give some glance of courses: a BArch and MR, Polytechnic, Web Designing, Interior Designing, NIFT, Fire and Safety, LLB, Aeronautical Engineering. The thing is, if you have a very good aptitude over the course, you can take it. Otherwise, just wipe out. Just wipe out from your mind. Because doing a course, it's not a Herculean task. Doing a course, it's only a passionate task. So try to underline passionate task and wipe out Herculean task. If you take it like that, definitely it will worsen your career. So conclusion, I would like to conclude something that we already learned from the previous slides. The first one is focus on vocational oriented courses. Now we are going through a pandemic situation, COVID situation. So how can we overcome such situation? We don't know. But if you focus on vocational oriented courses, it would be better. Second one is scope can be determined by circumstances. Each and every course has their own importance and significance. So no one can say this one is good, this one is better. So scope can be determined by circumstances. Do your duty with passionate. So I would like to repeat, do your duty with passionate rather than fashionate. Next one is entrance practical or enhance practical knowledge. You have to enhance practical knowledge. Like up to +2 you studied. I hope you studied theoretical knowledge and somehow practical knowledge. From after +2 onwards, you have to stick on practical knowledge also. It would be really good for future endeavors. Otherwise, something lacking. If we haven't experienced, definitely others will be fired for the particular institution or firm. Build confidence in yourself. So boost up your confidence. Boost up your confidence. If you are really confident, definitely you will get it something. Otherwise, it may lacking something from you and your career. We shall overcome. Yes, the situation is not really good. We don't know what may happen next moment. But definitely, we shall overcome. This is something about my this tutorial or this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to like and share. And you can mention your suggestions on my description box or message. You can message it. Thank you.